Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances for February 2026. Ayan, so this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. And another reminder, hindi po ako unang magme-message or magpa-follow sa inyo para mag-offer ng services. Beware of fake accounts. Meron mga nanggagaya or nagpapanggap na Mr. Queen PH. Mag-ingat kayo. Okay. Capricorn. February 2026, kaperahan. Ano yung energy? Money, career, finances. Overall energy. Naku po. Naku. Possible challenge. Opportunity. Blessing. Alam nyo Capricorn, marami talagang Capricorn na going through challenges ngayon. Oo. Okay, Ten of Cups. Pero, may masaya naman. May masayang part sa life ninyo. Meron ditong stability sa relationship, sa family. Kumbaga, you are all in this together. Na yes, may challenge sa career, sa finances, pero meron kang family na ever supportive sa'yo. You have the High Priestess, the Seven of Swords, nako. The Lovers, nako. Capricorn. Okay, the High Priestess is wisdom, no? Maaring meron kang kailangang tuklasin about the things na hindi mo pa naha-harness sa sarili mo. Like, abilities na hindi mo pa naha-harness. Hindi mo pa natutuklasan. So, this is the time for you to explore, get to know yourself on a deeper level. Kasi alam niyo mga Capricorn, bata pa lang marami ng responsibilities, iniisip lagi ibang tao, and nakakalimutan nila yung sarili nila. So, this is the time for you to focus on yourself. Kasi dun mo mahahanap kung saan ka talaga magiging successful. Like, ano yung purpose mo? Okay? Meron mga tao sa paligid mo will try to, Seven of Swords energy, will try to manipulate you. Especially the people who are close to you, like yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, na parang, since you are, you take responsibility, feeling nila, responsibility mo sila, and sometimes, they tend to, yung parang, binabaliktad ka pa. Na, ano mo to responsibility mo to responsibility mo kami, ganun. So, ikaw naman, parang, nagigilty ka. You have the Death card, the Hangman, grabe. This is transformation, change. I think may magbabago sa perspective mo ngayong February. You will realize na why do you always have to serve other people when yung tipong wala ka nang matira sa sarili mo. Three of Swords. Some of you are feeling broken. Parang feeling nyo, bakit ganon? Like, people are just watching you. Kumbaga, yung mga taong sana inaasahan mo na tutulong sa'yo, pinapanood ka lang na nagsasuffer. 'Di ba? So, of course, hindi naman ito magre-resonate sa lahat ng Capricorn, but for some of you, you feel, there's an energy of feeling alone Oo, and your challenge is, hindi mo na ma-appreciate kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, yung mga blessings na meron ka ngayon. It is because wala ka ng energy na i-enjoy yung iba mong oras, kasi halos wala ka ng oras mag-focus sa sarili mo. Now, as an opportunity, you have the Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles is waiting for fruition. Kung meron kang tinanim, definitely meron kang aanihin. So, kailangan mo lang mas maging patient sa situation mo ngayon because eventually things will get better. You have the Five of Pentacles as your blessing. So, since nasa blessing mo siya, ibig sabihin nito, magkakaroon ng solution yung financial na issue or aspect or imbalance sa buhay mo. Okay? So, Five of Pentacles is about, difficulties when it comes to your money. Kasi nga, maaring maraming responsibility eh. Mahirap talagang kumilos pag marami kang responsibilidad. Ngayon, it's either you focus on yourself or hayaan mo sila na buhatin mo. 'Di ba? What's the energy? Pause, higher self. Alam niyo, subukan niyo na yung magbigay kayo kahit isang oras. Isang araw na. Bigay niyo na sa sarili niyo isang araw, magpahinga kayo. Tapos may isang oras diyan na tahimik lang yung isip niyo, wala kayong ibang iniisip. Wala yung mga responsibilidad, wala yung kung ano-ano. Tapos mapapansin niyo yan, meron kayong mga ideas na papasok sa isip nyo. Like, yung mga solusyon sa problema nyo. Mangyayari yan. Prayer. Lakasan pa ang pagdadasal. And also, yung taimtim na pagdadasal na, kasi mga Capricorn, hindi yan nagpapakita ng kanilang weakness na as much as possible. Sila lang ang nakakakita ng weakness nila. So, ito rin yung time na to focus on yourself. Yung maging totoo ka sa sarili mo, na kailangan mo talaga ng tulong. Kasi minsan yung ibang Capricorn, yung bang, kaya ko to. So, akala na iba, okay ka lang. Kasi sabi mo, kaya mo. Pero totoo lang, durog ka sa loob. Everything will be alright, Capricorn. Merong success. Okay? So, February for you is like a transition. And I also see na parang ito ay panahon ng paglilinis. So, ibig sabihin yung mga unnecessary people, situations sa buhay mo, energies, you're letting that go. The moment that you do that, you will feel better. At pag mas maganda na yung pakiramdam mo, you will attract success. You will be the success, kumbaga. Ikaw yung success. Recognition, rewards, reward for merit. Finally, makukuha mo yung recognition na dine-deserve mo. Situation in the balance that require careful handling. So, when it comes to your money, your finances, kailangan maging maingat ka sa pag-handle niyan. Like, talagang dapat alam mo yung cash flow mo. At hindi lang basta alam, dapat mo rin siya. Calculated. Na yung mga unnecessary ay yung mga hindi kailangan, wag mong paggagastusan. Some of you, Capricorn, magulo talaga yung isip, no? Unclear, muddled thinking. You know what? Lilipas din yan, totoo. Napaka-cliche man sabihin, pero lilipas yan. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng laging nasa baba. Like, hindi pwedeng laging challenging yung buhay. Of course, by default, mga Capricorn, challenging na talaga yung buhay. But, merong success eh. There's success coming in. Hold on to that. Oh my God! Diba? May good fortune. Merong good news. May good news, i-claim nyo na to ngayong February, Capricorn. Okay? Maaring pinakikita lang dito ngayon yung situation nyo. Excuse me. Meron kasi akong ubo na minsan nagkakrak. Nabibitin yung Ayan. Uminom lang ako ng salabat. So, ayun na nga. Some of you, difficult yung situation. But, things are going to change for the better. Okay? You will feel it. I think, towards second half ng February. you will feel better. Emergency fund. Napaka-importante na mayroong emergency fund. Kasi, yung ipon natin, kapag nagkaroon ng emergency, magagastos. Or, lalo na kung wala kang emergency fund. Like, pati pang grocery, pati mga ibang needs, magagastos mo for that emergency fund. So, the moment, no, I see you na mas mag-focus ka rin sa pagsisave ng pera para sa emergency fund. So, set clear financial and career goals. Yes, napaka-importante na meron kang career goals. Kasi kung wala kang career goal, ano yung ita-target mo, 'di ba? And another thing, side hustles. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong another source of income. And I think, no, itong another source of income na to, ito yung magbibigay sa inyo ng success. Na tipong hindi nyo akalain, ito pala yung aahon sa inyo dito sa financial struggle ninyo, financial challenge. Okay? So, kung may opportunity kayo for another source of income, kahit ano pa yan, maliit man yan, malaki, subukan nyo. Kasi maaring ito na yung chance para mas madagdagan yung income nyo and eventually, baka yan na yung maging main source of income nyo. Capricorn, sabi rito, Release what you've been carrying and lighten up. New joy is on the way. O, ano ba yung kailangan mo i-release? Nagpapabigat sa kalooban mo. 'Di ba? If it's making you feel bad, then release that. Huwag mong isipin. Kung ano yung kaya mo at this point na gawan ng solusyon, yun yung gawan mo ng solusyon. Whatever is beyond your control, release. Let it go. Surrender. Smile. O, smile na daw kayo. You will soon experience a wonderful journey of inner discovery. Diba? So, meron kang madidiscover about yourself. What you can do. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na maaring meron kayong abilidad or iba pang talento na hindi nyo nadidiscover kasi nga busy kayo sa pag-aalaga ng iba. Diba? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much and see you again.